So in today's quick tip, I want to show you all how I typically process something that's in my inbox. So as you see here, I have put down order filter for cat water bowl. And how I typically process this is I decide whether or not I want to do it today or tomorrow or next week. So on this task, I typically want to do it today. Then I usually put a tag on it. So where am I going to do this at? At my computer and my home office, and then of course personal. Okay. Make sure you hit the OK, because a lot of times I'll even forget and I'll just go ahead and think, well, I've done it. Now I can go to something else, right? Move it to my inbox, but I haven't actually tagged it. See, the tags are gone. So what I do is go back here, make sure you do it right now. It's very, very important. And what was the other tab? Computer, personal. Oh yeah, home office. And then I hit OK. Now it's tagged. Now I can move it out of my inbox into my personal one-time task, because it's just a one-time task and it's not a recurring task. And voila, that's just as simple as it is. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.